All right, guys, I'm just showing you guys the back end of Raiders. First, when you click on it, you gotta put in the email address that you use from PayPal. That's your license key. When you come in here, you gotta bind um, in the top menu the Raiders text. I'll show you that in a second. You have to select the item that you want to bind from the top menu, which would be Raiders or How Did We Do or whatever you want to call it. You gotta bind the social page and the internal page here, and then you gotta put an email address of where you want us to send internal feedbacks. The internal page, you can change the text in there to make it more feel like it applies to your business. Then you have the social networks that you can put in: Facebook, Google Twitter, LinkedIn, and Yelp. And you can tell the plugin if you want to enable the microdata on only the home page, or if you only want it, or if you also want it on post and pages, and you just save changes. So once you're in here, you got to make 3 pages, and those 3 pages are basically a radars page that goes up in the menu, which is right here. It's bind it to the menu. You got to do a social page, and you got to do an internal review page. So the radars page, if we go look at that real quick, you just call it whatever you want to. Radars, how did we do? Um, Review us on social media, whatever you want to call it. Nothing in the body. And then on the other pages, um, on the internal review page, you can again call it whatever you wanted to call it, but you gotta have internal feedback put in the brackets inside the body, and then just save it or publish it. On the social page, you got to have, let me just find the social page here. On the social page, you can again call it whatever you want: social share, social page, whatever you want. But you gotta have rating dash box in brackets in the body. That's what tells the plugin what page to put it at. All right. So you make those 3 pages. The page that goes in the menu, top menu, and the 2 pages that are hidden until they give you a rating. So let's just take a quick look at the menu, because there's 2 things that's important here. First off, you put the radars in the main menu. You make sure under manage location that you have selected the primary menu is my top menu here. And then when you go back to the radars plugin, you see that I say I select the menu, which is the top menu. I select the item in the top menu, which is Rate Us. I select the social share page, the internal review page, and boom, you got it. And that's it. So that's a quick review of how to set this up. It's super simple. You can set it up in 3 minutes flat. All right, appreciate it. Bye.